A legacy system is outdated technology that is still actively used today. Think of it as old software or hardware that was built years ago but continues to do its job. The key point is that legacy doesn't mean broken. These systems still work and often handle critical business operations. Many organizations around the world depend on legacy systems every single day, from banks to government agencies to hospitals. Even though they're old, replacing them completely can be expensive and complicated, which is why they stick around. Legacy systems share four main characteristics. First, they're based on old technology and programming languages from decades past. Second, they no longer receive updates or support from their original creators. Third, they're extremely difficult to maintain because the code is complex, poorly documented, and requires specialists who know outdated languages. Fourth, they cannot easily grow with your business needs. They can't scale up to handle more data or users. These characteristics make legacy systems both expensive to keep running and risky to depend on for the future. Legacy systems create serious problems for organizations. Maintaining them costs a lot of money because they require specialized expertise and constant fixes. They're also security nightmares because they don't receive patches or security updates, making them easy targets for hackers. Performance suffers too, with slow response times and frequent failures that frustrate users and reduce productivity. Finally, legacy systems can't work well with modern tools and applications. They exist in isolation, making it nearly impossible to integrate them with new technology that your business might need to stay competitive. Organizations modernize legacy systems for 6 important reasons. First, modern systems run much faster and more efficiently, improving user experience. Second, modernization cuts operational costs significantly compared to ongoing maintenance expenses. Third, updated systems have modern security protections and receive regular patches to stay safe from cyber threats. Fourth, modern systems can scale easily to handle growth in data and users. Fifth, modernization unlocks innovation by enabling new features and capabilities that legacy systems simply cannot provide. Sixth, modern systems integrate seamlessly with contemporary tools and platforms, breaking down the silos created by legacy systems. Modernizing legacy systems follows a structured 5-step approach. In Step 1, organizations assess their existing systems to understand what needs to be fixed and why. Step 2 involves defining specific problems and deciding which issues take priority. Step 3 focuses on planning the modernization strategy and setting clear goals for the transition. Step 4 is execution, where the actual migration or transformation happens. Finally, Step 5 validates that everything works correctly and that the transition was successful. This structured approach ensures that modernization projects stay on track and deliver real value to the organization. After modernization, organizations measure success using 4 key metrics. Performance metrics track improvements like faster response times and better system throughput. Cost reduction metrics measure how much money the organization saves on maintenance and operations compared to the legacy system. User satisfaction metrics capture how happy employees and customers are with the new system through feedback and adoption rates. Finally, return on investment metrics evaluate the overall business value and whether the modernization effort was worth the cost and effort. Together, these metrics prove whether modernization achieved its goals. Successful modernization requires following 6 best practices. First, conduct a thorough assessment of your legacy system's architecture and technical debt before starting. Second, create a clear roadmap with realistic timelines and prioritized phases for the modernization journey. Third, consider cloud migration as a modern approach that provides scalability and flexibility. Fourth, run pilot tests on a smaller scale before rolling out modernization organization-wide. Fifth, involve teams from across IT and business units to ensure everyone's needs are considered. Sixth, continuously track progress using metrics and adjust your strategy based on what you learn along the way. Several major companies demonstrate successful modernization. Walmart transformed its outdated monolithic system into microservices, enabling it to handle over 500 million page views on Black Friday without any system failures, while dramatically improving its e-commerce competitiveness. Lyft migrated to Kubernetes, managing over 600 microservices with 300,000 containers across its platform, which dramatically reduced technical debt and improved how teams can observe their systems. Car Parts moved its legacy e-commerce system to the cloud, creating a scalable platform that increased customer conversions and enabled same-day delivery capabilities. These real examples show that modernization delivers measurable business results. Remember 4 essential points about legacy systems. First, legacy systems exist everywhere across industries, from banking to healthcare to government, and they're still running critical operations today. Second, modernization isn't optional anymore because security risks, high maintenance costs, and competitive pressure make it necessary for survival. Third, successful modernization requires strategic planning with proper assessment, clear roadmaps, and phased approaches instead of rushing into change. Fourth, modernization succeeds only when you involve your teams, measure progress with metrics, and adapt your strategy throughout the journey based on what you learn. Legacy systems aren't going away overnight, but modernization is the path forward for organizations that want to thrive.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.